kwaso Ebibriman enkwaso na menu mi eno so yankwaso Adom 106.3 FM Arapedu so busa na me na wase sa wodu afidi eno ato ha o hwame wo Facebook o hwame e wo TV so on Adom TV sa so wo teme ka Adom 106.3 FM sa segmenti wo Dwaso Nsem so ehu hia me pa ehu hia me. Now even before I joined this team na butaye si mani so ne say nyame ya Adom na say ya besomu a ensamu a efa o man no ho nyese be gina hanu ma keke akamu a but ensamu a me no mienu efa ye ho danda sitinem anu ho adwuma ne ebeye nyame ncha de ye beso mu yi. We keep getting feedbacks. We are open for criticisms. And until I'm a bedu in case what bibi na bia ankoya manwa. Don't hesitate. My asonte. Esan so man yakoya nim. Eso man yakoya nim. Yesi mo cha anapay me pese mi twon adwene gina nsem bi so Jordan no me hyase akwanhia esi wo akwan so nipa ehwere wo mo nkwa enya akwan fon ho nsem na meka enu yebeduru ho da bi yebeduru ho enya road signs a enni kwan so ho nsem na meka enu so so yebeduru ho. Traffic lights. Say and quite say ebi ni hokra na ebi wo ho so esi ho enso enye adwuma ana so ye to afiri hokra ebu afiri hokra na da no bitwamfoni kyerɛw Chester miamia bia me kanyai uko Facebook a foni ni bebrede da ho bara na pembe se yetu ya boase na yehwe yesuban me no mienu yesuban se Ghana fo maybe so enti traffic light no aya utwa mu behu se achia eda ho ana so yetutu fama twitwa cable so ne ade no ana so controllers no yabu ani controllers mfoni bia kwasi fatu Facebook pa me controller no ya padlock da no enso so kabrani akobu padlock no ene we bie controller no ayiyi mu niam nyina akoton so wonim controller no a eno ne sa adaka no a ye penti ho ahye no a udu traffic light bia ho intersection bia wo se esi ho emuna computer a control traffic light no a hanso red a hanso green a half for mesere a half for mra sa controller no ene di sa adwuma no basem bisa ampese adwene ho enti nipa no wo mu di sa bone no enye no wo mu nete wo mu nya samafo nipa no a aya wo mu kotutwa cables nipa no a woman the cars pim traffic lights egu fam no enye ye no woman nete empotem hanye ye no woman a ensori asori no ayekọ no enye ye ni sa nipa bonifo ya na kwa asori a driver for no woman bu traffic lights egu fam no enye ye no woman nete bi wo ho aka no kwa ye ntemu bi ye nteka no mu bi and no be penny pa no I can't say me say London some years back na one me ba wa mo pia free fie sane abrochire settings ni ade tie na mailbox no a esi fie na no ho no mailbox o papa ne ne car no eba reverse ene ode be pin mailbox no eto ho na ne ba ne te car ne mu bi papa ne de car ne pin mailbox no to ho no wan pamua ena otu car no ne ba ne tim ena ne ba ne ka che ne baba say daddy enti wan hu say wo de car no aka mailbox no ato ho wabu mailbox no ne baba say ai mi hui ena ne ba ne say daddy say wan fre a report ho ama police for say mabu mailbox no esi manim ho no ato fam enti momra na fe yehwe ho ka no asem na yenka daddy wan fre I'll report you. Say wan report to ho me report to. In fact, Panimunika asem ne kire me no me dwene hu din am say enti Ghana ha ye be nya san nipa bi sei wa ha. Yehunu enso yenka hwe emfa ye ho ebe say ense ebe da ho en na ho wani tua poten so abrante mi hu ni say wo gina wonenam traffic light hu sada no anadwo no broad daylight da no tema motorway so no be ka chem sije me tema motorway e free tray kosi tray cable so wo ho nyina manfo twitwa aton ewi akete na nkofo hyehyehye wakingi ahyehyɛ helmet ne ade aya ni se wa mo ye adwuma no twitwa cable so no koton emre dura esese you hold irresponsible citizens as I say you so am pa chire aya na complaining and a to no do so and a buy no entity to no so and when you to no free ho not until you be responsible maybe so traffic light na sika na de to aban kobo besia no de aba ya kwan no a light ni nyina aka ho enti se nipa na se ni kobu light ni to ho na ya report na se ya ban na se de enti obasan kobo besia foforo besia no so so kobo a eto no so na be kosoro. I don't know if I'm making some sense, but listen, not until say best say you suni e ban no ne atimu ani nye bibia na de subo baba ban ena ban yes ebi o hono ma ban no ese o tena se wo set up but me no mienu ese suban niema bebre ho ni da hwana wedi bone we bu traffic light no hwe dano me kireo efri nyameche ebe join N1 free nyameche N1 so ebe join N1 be bia bi na tonfo wo mo ayiwe sa junction no so ho traffic light be 4 esisi ho ni nyina bubu aye suban nyam pesa me kire ni se emre dura wan nya kokonsa but emre dura se o tibi sim pam ko ka se driver me twa mu me hu car registration number JR blah 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 we bu traffic light no e wo kokomlemle aveno junction ho no we bu we wie we ja hoko what the boom se si ama traffic light no abu we wie no we ja hoko. That is the duty of a responsible citizen. Medical kasa sa nipa ya wo mudi sa boni wo mu wia cables ne ade ye ne wo mu anete bi wo hokra fie no aye nyina yetim no be sore wo sa cables bra ya o te sa dan ya wo kona hei wakwaso cables wonye electrician o wakwaso cables na egu ho enfa me ho me na me nkoka na ye medi matem ebuso yen se suban na ayeka Eye car, yan ye betwa ho atua, yan ye betwa ho atua. It's as simple as that. Aba sign loan. Aba kwaji loan wa ha or the buy kwan way. Aba kwaji loan wa ha or the buy say. Aba kwaji loan wa ha. Who say loan wa ne tua? Yan ye tua. Say wo report wo bi. Na me so be report wo bi. Na obi nso so report wo bi a. Me gidi say me e se na fata say ye no, ye be ye. Ana pa yan nwini sansa bi ho. Na no me ma huni. Say enkran hanko a 17 traffic lights on 8 major routes. Anya djuma. Manu guso ameka say bia wadru junction bi, wadru traffic light bi a o ma wani so a. Wo say anya djuma. Bi ho a wadru ho no, esa ko hwe other lane no light no esi ho no, na hu say ho de no aso red. Enti na say automatically no ne ha no aso green ti ma menko. Bi o kwaji ye bo so aben. P kwai. Because can you be ni mani mo aso green esa me ko. Abu afri ho. Na ye nipa da sani en wabu waja hoko. Yan kan hwe. Yan kan hwe. E kokokokokokokokwa. E minu mienu na saka ne betua. E kokokokokokwa e minu mienu e na saka no. Ye betua. Yan hwe ni ya me fiem nu muntem. Light ba kokora ni ho a ye behunu won kan krom ha. Wey Department of Urban Roads. Adwuma no wamo ye de. MTTD. Adwuma no wamo ye de. Enso wamo hia moa. Emoa no be free me no mienu ho. Nipa wu okwan so it's unbelievable. Afie nkwa January busumi edikan January nkwa nipa 222 eno wa mo hwere wa mo nkwa say enfiase entu sa na mo no a wa ma ye ntimi nkwa yanim. And I feel some passion in my spirit because say niama kosu say ya Dajin chirima eno mba bebo ya subo say nenti ya papa nom ne ya maame nom ne ya nuanom panifo yi na wo ye ne ma sei ni. But of course ne aye wo so so musua menen papa tikam eno ade ne car no kobu traffic light hwe ho wan pam mu akora na oja ho. Mame kwa homa no so na me ne the Honorable Theophilus Tetechai, a former chairman Parliamentary Committee on Roads and Transport meneno entwetwe enkomo Honorable Teminka.
The patron I okay.
Awade wo hode.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Wa adwuma ya masha ase ne enkomo ametwetwe yi. Menim say wo obi a wa follow pa. This issue of traffic lighter. Either say nipa bani for abetwitwa cables no light no ankasa traffic lights ni cables no nipa abeyi copper wires na ewo mu no akoton ana so controllers no esi o controller box no esi ho no mama bebu ani abeyi mu ne nyina akoton ana so a driver for enam kwan no so ebu light no ahwe ho no magya ho on ko report na ni nyina ba ba ye ka abeda wo man no eso sankomoyi I don't know, but who are pencil as a chairman? Maybe this someone to train home come.
Yo, me that's it. Nyame kan ndi say, pamicha ekefu na. Omei ade ba ko a ekun etia ye. the level of indiscipline amongst all of us as citizens of the country. Now, near hiking this level of indiscipline, the inability of institutions are the Yesika, Yatia, at the moment, Omujuma, at the Boa Mino, Omushe, Omujumaso, and yet. Because at the time I'm here chairman for the Roads and Transport Committee, they advocated strongly for the provision of street lights and what the major roads in this country, Obekaya. And as a result, Abino and the traffic lights be by even when a light is crying on those traffic lights, to me operating. Like I said, as chairman of the Roads and Transport Committee, and you can witness the idea for a traffic light. I took personal interest in what that is. And I had a call down to police station. To be honest with you, I'm making sure that the driver came back and the car was already clear. There is 16 traffic lights, roads and highways for Ebonica, Mani, Jumediano. That is the responsibility of every Ghanaian. Now, to say, I have to say, on mine, each for himself, and God for us all. It's to say, Adibonia, nobody is prepared. So, better take it on. Traffic light, and yes, study. In conform committee those crimes. All what you need to do is to take the car number of car now. We create accident, our traffic light. And see, traffic light, I have to say. It's an accident in VAR. And Yama drivers will be AUC as a defensive mechanism. Yes, maybe with their protective life. But then you also cause damage to the state as a result of your irresponsibility. I was a state, and making sure that Uber pay for the damage cost. But Adriana cost to but only by cost here. Tanya Manu cost.
Kasemi honorable.
Minya, I know people will come and reject it. It is also a money venture for others. Sure, maybe some of them. Street lights are here. What street lights are here? I came one month.
Honorable, I feel like I'm a baby.
Oh, and yeah, only true. Yes, street lights are. And do 2 months. Now, lights ring call off. Try one. Sometimes, you see inferior materials. And institutions, they use inferior materials in fixing our street lights. But nobody talks about it. That is the cost to all of us. The dear street lights, media, that is where electrification, and wiring takes place.
Yes. What media na say infinity hono, a cable so non enam.
Yes. Only me say, a hono muso and I yesi rawo. Maybe so.
Minimpa.
And he said, "Oh, see, and run."
Our cable no swa.
What do you expect?
Who see run no cable no swa?
Exactly. What do you expect? And see, I have to say, a dear Baku, the Pia ye boka sabi ye ntu kwan ufi Ghana hanu muna kwa the next. Is that how their street lights behave? And now me no ka say Ghana nyina wo sum check parliament any o su hanu mu nyina all the street lights are off. Inti ye pese ye kire say ye hu adikura it is our problem. They know urban rules, they know the problem. But most of them, because of political victimization, they may do one more munka. Because of political victimization, political people now are more urban rules, they may be one more to minka. They be fixing equipment. The equipment, you're in fear of cry. Omutuminka. And that is what we go through in a cycle every time.
Honorable, my phone call Tamamoto way, so. Mekaipa Ghana at 50. Then former President J. Kufuor. Kama one more a year street light from end to end.
Yes.
I'm on quite so yes. Honorable Mitru, so any idea how and nay Tamamoto and Suna, I assume Kabi.
Minya, me see, you see street lights, as a mechanism to prevent accidents. The car, I am for now, Quisha, street lights, and you see as a protective mechanism. See, there was a year who said, yes, accidents may occur. But then whoever creates that accident, if there is a damage to public property, it is incumbent on whoever creates that accident, to pay for the cost. What you are here? You see, just imagine, say, institutions are more responsible, especially a metropolitan assemblies in this Anyamanyamano. If they are taking all these things into consideration, street lights then and the vehicle off, and we call him. But nobody cares. Until we who the day national assign nobody minister to Beba. Oh, you have a 15 street lights, Not yet the sticker, food or asset card, that you may be anymore. And the same one after a month. That's street lights in our call.
But honorable, I need a breath, sir, a canoe. A try who I am a bit you. Taxes in here, dear, a yarn a bit ya.
That is the cost to all of us. What you are here. And yes, citizen, yes, taking on my Japadia, say a young Casaya Japadia, say a tear, yes, sticker. And a year boka every year Sanyamana. The street light barco, a bua, a nippo boo no. Unim say, I was said, the panel, I was so reporting on Edema police. Not police before so, and your man said, yes, sir. Report na Yadia Mono, and yes, I'm for Jessica with Nipan Hono, from Mamma Nipan. But then, almost on very fair Nipano to urban roads. It's our responsibility, to fix the lights in the world. No more ni panika.
Honorable Mamimbisa, San Subai Noa, Ghana for Binuma Wayemu, Mena Menkonkoka, Mena Menkonko reporte. Na Yamagasami Yakonsa. How do we deal with that attitude? You see a year free ho, Mena Menkonko reporte. Where if I'm home, Mena Menkonko reporte. Honorable. Yes,
social setting, and then the beer break it down. Yes, I said, parents, Yama was a year, and to see already see a ma, Panyamini and I, Jai. They say, social media, and I have training a ma, and my. And as a country, the Yama law. Anye tuma anya dia you bet me movie forward You see, with society breakdown, with indiscipline at its highest level, the onus lies on government. The onus lies on institutions. If you know government are now man for the Omar Adrian Abba, the president, and I said, no, you were district assembly. What are their roles? You were informal or honomo. You were unit committees or honomo. You were agencies, sir. Yadi or my sick as chum them. So, provided these facilities, no, MIA. What type of facilities do they go for? Well, you see, as to the is on yadi to me, MIA.
Honorable, whether minimum engineer there, but in your capacity as a former chairman, Obiobisa said traffic lights in the crown. Ne boy is saying, be an born in Shada and Yadin, dear, a quine be an born in the traffic light. And I say, I think I dear Chin and one near the France Babiso. Traffic light, that component of the whole road, you know, I say, what's me at whom you are saying, Honorable.
Minya, ne boy, papa. Because as far as Mikaipa, as far as about 4 years ago, Usha Abutokai area Honumuna, Ubo said, you see some modern traffic lights. Modern traffic lights now, the first installation was within my constituency.
Okay.
And the cost at that time for fixing those solar panels, traffic lights, you know, was in over 200,000 Ghana cedis.
Sabre numpo over 200,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes. The boy had the street lights, traffic lights, you bob one more. That is why they can say, one, people profit out of what is happening. People profit out of what is happening. Because the Yemenis is not unfair. Just for my contract. And I'm a boy.
No crap. And
I'll be someone who said, it's the cross crack. A giant almost like, you know. Yes, the sanity said, Senia, Tabby. The giant of fire, yes, it's a few to one. But Ghana found it here. So people are making money out of it. And that is why we see the things we see today in Ghana. And say, yeah, Obi Nyeska. It's on Mesha High, Manafe. Says to be ya, the back up procurement. It's a minya, the money they have but who can't? The back up for evidence, bra. We have been there, and I understand what is happening.
Honorable Fat and the passion in my spirit. I'm a day casa same way, no. I don't know how to describe it because say me drive it around town. Na me hunu sanya niama airco the huge traffic situations are a one kind from any other parts of this country. And then BBNTO traffic light engagement. Traffic light no ebu. Traffic lights, no, I say, you have from a say, you take cables, no, not at the huge traffic.
Exactly.
Now, so I did blame on productivity because I pay make us say it's almost 9 o'clock, and so we've been to office because traffic lights in Yajuma, into traffic, so we've been to office.
I think that, settle interchange, you know. But I watch a settle interchange.
Yes.
You notice one thing. Sir, none of the traffic lights on top of that interchange. What do you see?
Yeah.
What about the country I am here? Who say the media now traffic light 361. Of what they are very block barricades, you know, 50. It's a Baku Campo.
Yes. Mehuni, I would say, Mehu.
But we see interchange, you know, now we bear for more. Traffic light is your Munina, Nina, the and see, what I share design to 2 years. Design is very important.
Honorable Tatechai, and I pay Medase Papa for your time. Medase Mfesia. Honorable Theophilus Tatechai, a former chairman parliamentary committee on roads and transport. Enti Sayansi Sia Subaya. Mama ni ebe kono ano no. 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 0302216562 Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
CJ.
Yes, ma'am.
Maminya.
Maminya kwa?
Yes,
Mint you.
CJ. Hwɛ wonim sɛ nnɛ akorɔmfoɔ wia yɛn ɛwɔ kaa mu wɔ bra traffic light na adundum no ntim kaa di w'akyi kora wɔ hu sɛ fo sɛ bi ɔmo ɛtɔdeɛ bi na aba bɛti na ɛfrɛ no sɛ kaa ne ho ani wodi nkɔmmɔ
yɛtam wɔ bag
sa especially wofi ayi ɛfrɛ no sɛ Tetekwasi Basa Atimota Forest area on. Would ye no niako no wura no deko. Na den ye ti o mam. Ni ase da pese ye di o man ye wuta. Eya humete what mean see from so kwakota en ana ni odi wachi ni so nim ni enti a wa stop o ka. Na niako no fa waja pade no deko. Na ekosi ni edi ye nkwa etu asane mu sei okuratu wan fama na sekan obefira wo kanu enti etu ujai na ofako mesira mpanifu aka bi o mu sei traffic light ne de o mu hwe ni hu juma mai medase
ma ya kwa medase Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Batwani.
Akogene.
Okay, Majesty.
Yes, I was.
Thank you.
CJ. Ghana kasa. Yesubane ni ye problem no. Enu country ni kita no. CJ, ukwa abuchi ena uko other countries na. Ebe din pa se be hu se traffic light bi afel. But ye pay for no more Ghana afel no. The same pay for na go school e wa abuchi. Eba Ghana ha. CJ, ubatema committee 1. Baby Robert no. Omko robe ya, omshutu Robert na ba bi wi ya. Akugane nam kwachim kokun no. CJ, in front of the baby Robert ni year mu Robin no. CJ said mu wa traffic light bi wo CJ. How about traffic light? The bia na say omuye na say CJ. So na scrapless ya watema. Scrapless. Ama mu papa na wo mu wa azen no. Omo mu sakopa wa yesini nyama na e wo street light ni traffic light ni na o. CJ, I'm going 1,000. I'm going 1,000. I'm going 1,500. I'm 1,500. In the pay for what I'm saying, only other solution for that particular traffic light. What I'm saying, CJ, Oba Nunga Beach Road, so Oak Branch, Echo Akana. Anymore, that's anymore. CJ, I'm here traffic light 1,000. I bet 1,000.
Majesty,
me
no me no. Say you who say bibi sa akoswa e say report it.
Na anyone na say police barra.
Well, what can be? Me that say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Mbata wani.
Mbata no kraseni.
No krasa ka safre.
Wa wani ti wa ukro mo darling town.
Kaswa. No krasa ma minche o.
CJ. Mame mo abaso anyway juma pa awoye.
Me that say.
And then can try Adom FM for say ejuma moye no. ɛyɛ paa na korɔ no asɛm a yɛka no CJ oba kaswa interchange ase obegye di sɛ ɛbɔ 8 o'clock a CJ wotimi receive wo call anase wotimi nkuta phone ɛwɔ kaswa CJ ene police enim kura na ye de sika esi wo so sɛ transfer wo sika ewu mobile phone so ɛfa ma nyonko ɛwɔ kaswa interchange na ase eti ɛbɛsɛ secret persons no ɔmo hwɛ kaswa yie ma yɛn ene nansa madam fo baako obegye di ka mo kura mpo abra isi tata no akɔgye ni phone wɔ ka mu crossing you adenti and the sepasa enti the security na dey no mo ye anti kaswa untimi nkuta phone ebo 5 o'clock kura na udi agora and Roberts beji wo niam nyinara aden eden na ekoso
no go say that say hello good morning hello
good morning
yeah patroni
na fom ti dan fie
na me na do patroni na yo
ochi ni agona nkum
ochi ma nteu
ya mi sha wate
amen
ugbejuma too much unse wo kan say me wo ye opening interview no kan say me say adwi mi she Ghana ku ye ntimi so bi di dwumedi bia na so bi di boni bi na akọ report me pe na akọ eti se we di nkum ene ha o my Ghana no he say ni amafo say ni o ma na adi na yehu but o ke kape na woni kro ni mo ni obon sama wo kro ni mu sa adwe ni ye yi si Ghana ku ye ntimu a edabo e say abrofo no sa adwe ni won tim obi otumi bua sa de ko buni se oni papa be African Ghana ha no no kra na yenka no o de hwe na na do sisi imprawu ni menkum ya obi di boni bi ma mpre wo be sisi wo be kasa aban no sisi no o de be hwe MP se na MP no sisi no o be kire won ti wo ye sei na ma ono su di dwumedi a ontumi ni sisi yanka sa ti menfu no ye dwen sa dwen ni se obi di boni bi ne se ye koyiri na be bua ne ye tintin ye nsa wo ne sia sa na be bua ye nye politician ku na ye ne ye le kan bi me da se bi nyam show
na so me da se ache hello good morning
Radio mu Chief Justice Collins ni me kasa free amamole
champion Collins over the last caller into your Collins
and mo bia radio mami chia me mami owo me ba sa se kronkron yitu Abigail mami wo so menya ogomi utie Adom FM emre nyina akopon isra de bia wudia niya isema wakan no kure na ya bi bisase so hwe yen pedifuo yi me ka from etue ekopem bebia yen pedifuo ni bi omo post esudru se omo pass okura de kofie me hu se light ebu na nida eno moya yetimu wo de fa bebia me wo hwe your friend say traffic light esi ho a enye juma esi wo mu a omo hwe traffic light so day in day out buso me so a na da na count mu me mo se cho for mo ka ye kasa yesu ya ka so still che fa pekwase abrekuma wo de fa ka nya bo bi se ya kekran re be radio super oh no ma be jiro no ma fix ba ko mi ebu etwem ena light te say kibisi ufri Madina babi through la pass so creepy just say would you Gana just say me who say no foreigners in media so mo omo de ja so mo kura de kan nyoma bi say de on be yen free amayen ana CJ oje mo say
Collins my no say near fancy ya suban abusia suban tie say Sabe kan ho Fabɛwɔso so yari hwase na ma Franco Trading Enterprise Open phone so correct home appliances super accessories fantastic Franco Trading Enterprise